Jeep Renegade, doing front brakes and rotors. 17mm takes off your tire, or 16. First thing I like to do, 5mm Allen key. Take that bolt out of your rotor. Alright, bolt is out. I like to spray a little PB blast around the hub. Alright, for your caliper, you have two 14mm. There's one there, and one there. Take those out to remove your caliper. Alright, once I break them loose with the ratchet, I just use my battery. Take it all the way out. Grab your caliper. If you can't get it off like this, you can usually just use a pry bar. Got mine off. I'm gonna rest it up there on the shock. Alright, caliper's up there. Now in here, two bolts. Right there. They are, no, sorry, 17. Wrong bolt. That was for my lug nuts. They are E20. That's the way it looks. E20. If you don't have an E20, you can use a 16mm 12-point. You want to take these two out now. So E20 or 16mm 12-point. Alright, so first I use a pretty long breaker bar. Break them loose. Now I'm using a ratchet. Once I get this loose enough, I'll use the electric ratchet. Alright, so I got it loose enough. Electric ratchet. And caliper bracket is off. Sometimes the rotor comes off easy. Sometimes you gotta hit the hub with a hammer or hit it from the back. But this one is off. Let's install the new rotor now. Alright, so on your new rotor, just want to make sure you line up one of these holes with that hole there, so you can reinstall your 5mm Allen key. Alright, 5mm Allen key is installed. The lug nut holes are lined up. Remove your old brake pads. Reinstall your caliper bracket. This side goes on the inside for your E20s. So it goes in just like that. You want to line up your bolt holes. Let's do that now. Alright, so we got both the E20s in and tight. I used my breaker bar to make sure they were tight. Now this is our setup to compress our piston. C-clamp, old brake pad. Let's do that now. Alright, piston's been compressed. Take note of your wear strip. This is going to be your inside pad. Pads just go in just like that. Same thing on the inside. Alright, new brake pads are in. Just want to push these pins in a little so don't get in your way when you go to reinstall your caliper. Make sure your brake line, pad fell out. Alright, pad's back in. Try this one more time. Take your caliper, put it on, line up your 14s, bolt holes, and reinstall your two number 14s. Alright, both 14s installed. Repeat the same process on the other side. Pump your brake pedal before you move off, after reinstalling your tire, and after Jeep Renegade. Front brake pad and rotor replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.